How to increase or lower megapixels on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the camera settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to Formats as shown. On this page, go to the Photo Capture section and tap on Photo Mode. From here, select the megapixel that you want. For example, 24 MP. A photo will be approximately 3 megabytes at 24 MP. After that, go back and turn on or off the resolution control switch at the end. This setting shows control for capturing maximum resolution up to 48 MP. Following these steps, you can easily increase or lower megapixels on iPhone camera.